Hi peeps, this is my design. We call it the ant trapper or maybe insect trapper. Okay, the size is like 4 cm by 4 cm. I've modified from the wasp trap. Okay, as you can see, and the height is roughly like 3 centimeter. Okay, why you need this? This is because a safe trap, you can put the bait inside here, or you can put side over here, so insect will either crawl in towards to the tip and eat inside here, or they can also put over here. The reason for it is I would like to have some sort of a trap which I can keep safely modified, okay, and to avoid the reach of children. Fits the soda can, and of course if you wanted to modify it as a trapper, you can also put water or either bait inside here. There's a hole, there's a trap, and it will go inside and trap inside, as good as the mosquito trap also. Feel the fun. Let's do something low cost, high efficient, and well, you can see. One more, I print this in a glow in the dark material, so hoping that insect will mesmerize through the item. Okay, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.